Hi, this kind of problem is something that many of you are having problems with. So, how do we do this or how do we approach this? So, we see here sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. In this problem, the first thing to look at is see the numerator, and we see that there is a negative sign, and that negative sign goes with the cos theta. So the rule here that you would try to keep in mind is that if the minus has a cos theta, let us divide the numerator and the denominator by cos theta. So what do we get over here? So if I were to divide the numerator by cos theta and also the denominator by cos theta, the next step would be sin theta by cos theta, you would get tan theta, minus cos theta by cos theta is 1 plus 1 by cos theta is secant theta. Please make sure that your ratios are very clear, because if you make a mistake with the ratios, the whole problem is going to become wrong. So now similarly down, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta plus cos theta by cos theta 1 minus 1 by cos theta, that is minus secant theta. Now in the numerator, let's take the secant theta plus tan theta together on one side. So secant theta plus tan theta minus 1 by, let's keep the denominator as it is, tan theta plus 1 minus secant theta. Now the 1, I will use a particular identity to change it. 1 is nothing but secant squared theta minus tan squared theta, that is equal to 1. So I can write this as secant theta plus tan theta minus secant squared theta minus tan squared theta by, let me write this again over here. So this is nothing but, let me rewrite it. So 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta. It's the same thing. There's no difference. I'm just rearranging the order of the terms. Now, what do we have here? We have secant squared theta minus tan squared theta. Now is the time to make sure that our algebraic identities are very clear. A squared minus b squared. What is a squared minus b squared? It is a plus b into a minus b. So let's do that over here. So it is secant theta plus tan theta minus secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta, and by 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta. Now in these two terms, that is secant theta plus tan theta, and here we have again secant theta plus tan theta. So let us take that out and rewrite it as secant theta plus tan theta into, so this has gone out, so you get a 1 and there's a minus, so minus secant theta minus of minus plus tan theta. You have to be very careful with the signs, otherwise this whole thing could turn out wrong. And the denominator is 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta. Now if you see here, I have 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta on top, and in the denominator also we have 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta. Let's cancel those and we get secant theta plus tan theta. So normally it would be asked that prove this is equal to secant theta plus tan theta, or some of the other variations may be, it may be 1 by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta, or 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So the right hand side there could be a lot of variation, but if a question like this is asked, So what you need to see is the minus, does it have a cos or a sine? If there is a cos, divide the numerator and the denominator by cos. If it is sine, divide the numerator and the denominator by sine. So in that case, you would be getting cot theta and cosecant theta, and you would have to use the identity cosecant squared theta minus cot squared theta equals 1. I shall do that in another session. So I hope you understood this, and if there is any doubt, please revert.